Hi, I'm Larry from Anew here in Sparta, Wisconsin. I'm standing in a show house that we're creating to demonstrate some of the products that we make here at Anew. We work with reclaimed wood that we've retrieved from unwanted buildings that we deconstruct. And then we offer those materials for folks, or we make various products out of it. So today I wanted to introduce something that we call skip planed brown and gray, which is simply just a matter of using different reclaimed woods that have that brown or gray coloration to them and a little bit of rust on the surface. So when we work with it, we're going to skip plane it, is what we call it. That's taking a little bit of the surface off and leaving some of that original surface on. So we're exposing the rich patina of some of the woods that we're using, but we're also leaving some of the saw marks and some of the original character that was on the surface of the boards when we make it. So when we do this, we're also making various widths. We make a 2 1/4 inch board, a 3-inch board, 4-inch board, and a 5-inch board. And this way we not only get the best use out of the material that we're having processed, but it also makes for a very interesting, looking product when it's finished and put up on the wall or on the ceiling. And actually this product is used for both walls and ceilings. Now we have this milled with tongue and groove on it so that it snaps together really easily. And this is actually 1/2 inch thick. When we make flooring, which is another product that we produce here, we make that 3/4 inch thick. But for the accent walls and ceilings, we just do it at a 1/2 inch thickness with a tongue and groove that makes the installation really simple. We've also, in this room, created a little bit of an interesting panel in the center, just to kind of a complement to the woods that we used. And here we're using a brick pattern tin in panels, and then we've kind of framed that in with some of what we call naily wood. Naily wood is actually old roofing boards that had a lot of cedar shakes on, so it had a lot of tiny little nail holes, which give it some extra character. So we've used the reclaimed brown and gray skip plane material, vintage naily wood, and also this old brick pattern tin to create kind of a unique ceiling in this bedroom. And we hope you like it.